Hello everyone, welcome back to CarFuture. My name is Harry, and today we going deep into a brand new electric SUV that's making waves around the world. Yes, I'm talking about the Volkswagen Geely EX5. Now, this is not just another electric SUV, it's a smart blend of futuristic design, advanced technology, and affordability for families. Stay tuned till the very end, because I'll walk you through everything. Headlights to tires, the interior, the battery, performance, safety, and of course, the official launch date. So, let's get started. Introduction: the Geely EX5, also called the Galaxy E5 in some markets, is Geely's latest entry into the global EV scene. First introduced in China in mid-2024, it's now preparing for international release, including the UK and Europe. This SUV is designed for both families and city commuters, blending practicality with comfort and cutting-edge features. Exterior design: the X5's design is sleek and futuristic. Flush door handles and smooth aerodynamic lines give it a clean, modern look. With a drag coefficient of just 0.269 CD, it's one of the most efficient SUVs in its class. At the front, you get bold LED headlights and DRLs that add a premium touch. The rear features connected LED taillights, completing a stylish and futuristic profile. It's a design that balances elegance with practicality. Interior features inside the X5. You immediately get a premium high-tech feel. The centerpiece is a massive 15.4-inch touchscreen that controls everything from maps to media. A fully digital instrument cluster delivers all your driving info clearly. The steering wheel has a unique squircle shape, futuristic yet practical. Premium ventilated and power-adjustable seats keep you comfortable even on long journeys. A panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of space. Seating capacity: 5 family members. Boot space: 302 liters. Expandable with rear seat folding. Battery and range: 2 battery options are offered. 49.52 kilowatt hours, 60.22 kWh. Both feature Geely's new Aegis short blade LFP battery with cell-to-body integration. The smaller pack offers up to 440 km CLTC. The larger pack stretches to about 530 km. In Europe, WLTP, expect 255 to 267 miles real-world range. Charging: with 100 kilowatts DC fast charging, you can go from 30% to 80% in just 20 minutes. Performance and driving performance is a strong point. 160 kilowatts motor with 320 newton meters torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.9 seconds. Smooth front-wheel drive system. Multiple driving modes for different conditions. It's quick, efficient, and tuned for everyday comfort. Technology and infotainment. The EX5 runs on Flyme Auto OS, built with Mizzou. Flyme sound system delivers premium audio. AI-powered voice control makes it easy to interact with the car. It also supports V2L, vehicle to load, meaning you can power your gadgets or even home appliances directly from the car. Safety features: safety is top-notch. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360 surround camera, parking sensors in certain markets. Tuned-in by Lotus Engineering enhances suspension and safety performance. Launch date and price: the big question. When does it launch? UK launch: the 24th of October 2025. Starting price: £31,990. Bonus: for early buyers, 8-year warranty plus free home charger. That makes it a strong competitor to the Skoda Enyaq, Tesla Model Y, and Hyundai Ioniq 5. Pros and cons. Pros: quick acceleration, 6.9 SAL, attractive price point, solid range with fast charging, modern. Premium design, long warranty coverage. Cons: charging infrastructure still expanding, some premium features only on higher trims. Resale value uncertain in new markets. Conclusion: otro. So that's the complete review of the Volkswagen Geely EX5. A family-friendly, futuristic SUV, packed with technology, range, and value. With its launch right around the corner, it could easily shake up the EV market. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CarFuture for more in-depth EV reviews and future car updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.